All right, in this video, I'm going to review a couple different products that are all related that I really like. One's just 12 gauge automotive wire, easy enough. The other is this Do Well wire cutter. I've had these for probably like 3 or 4 years, and they've just been really great. The bottom is where you can cut wire, and then it has all the different gauges. So I know I'm dealing with 12 gauge wire here, so I stick it in the 12 gauge hole, clamp down, pull it out, and then I've stripped the wire perfectly. I'm gonna cut this in half because I'm gonna be bonding these together to show this heat shrink wrap that I've got. So let me take this other end. I'm gonna do the same thing. And then there you go, we've got 2 nicely cut wires. This will do 10 gauge, 12 gauge, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Really most of the wires that you're gonna come across for most applications. Now I'm gonna look at this Pantone heat shrink wire connectors. They're actually solder and wire seal connectors. So I'm gonna put both of my wires here in this, and then I'm gonna use, and this is the 12 gauge connector, then I'm gonna use the SEEKONE Heat Gun. This thing is probably one of my favorite things. It is such a small heat gun. I can't believe how much power it gets out and how fast it heats up. You'll see, I'll turn it on now, and it will heat up unbelievably fast and get to a temperature where it will shrink this shrink wrap and connect these 2 wires pretty darn quick. You can see it's all shrinking up right now. Even the solder in the Pantone connector is melting and providing solder within this. And let's get everything all shrunk up. Pretty incredible, the SEEKONE Heat Gun. That went from cold start to totally shrinking a heat shrink wrap in like what, 20, 25 seconds. So that is it. That's the 12 gauge automotive wire that I've used to do the wiring in some of my car, to do like tow hitch, wiring harnesses, the Pantone solder and seal connectors, the wire strippers that I always use. I have these for years now. And the SEEKONE, which is just one of my favorite things that I own. It's such a small, cool, feels high quality heat gun that just goes really fast.